Hey there, it's Steven from 4 Patriots. Are you excited for the big game? You better be, because there's nothing quite as much fun as cheering on your favorite team with friends while you enjoy some awesome party food, right? I'm expecting some of the 4 Patriots crew a little later to help celebrate the biggest game of the season, but first, I've got to get some things ready. Now, you might think if you're enjoying life in a smaller space like an RV or maybe just enjoying some time at a campground, you probably don't have the ideal entertainment setup. Not to worry, because today I'm going to show you how you can throw the most unforgettable game day bash no matter where you call home. But first, be a sport and hit that subscribe button on our channel, and don't forget to tap the little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video, and we've got some awesome videos in store you won't want to miss, just like this one. Now, let's talk some game day entertainment. Because an RV has very limited space, we're moving everything outdoors. That way, everyone has more than enough elbow room to really let loose and get into that team spirit. Plus, it's the only place big enough to accommodate our ginormous inflatable screen. To make this work, we'll need a few things. An iPhone with a digital AV adapter cord to stream the game live, an HDMI cable to connect to the AV adapter cord, and an HDMI compatible projector. We'll also need 2 power cables, one for the projector and one for the screen to keep it inflated. I know what you're thinking. That all looks great, Steve, but don't you need something to power all of it? Yes, you do. Because even though we'll be rooting for our favorite players later today, the real star of the show is this guy, our very own Patriot Power Generator 1800. It wouldn't make much sense to have a bunch of loose wires and cables running in and out of our RV, right? I can just see someone tripping over one of them, and that would be a real bummer. With our solar generator here, we can keep robust power close by, yet out of the way and totally portable. Plus, this guy is totally silent, safe, and fume-free. Now that we know where the power is going to come from, let's get all these gizmos hooked up. The first order of business will be to plug in our projector to our Patriot Power Generator 1800 with this AC power cord. Next, we'll take our iPhone, which is what we're using to stream the game live, and connect it to our AV adapter cord and connect that to our HDMI cable. Then we'll plug our HDMI cable into our projector like this. Let's make sure everything syncs up. And boom, we're getting our game on. Now next up, the screen. The inflatable screen should come with an air blower, plastic stakes, ropes to secure it, and a detachable screen surface. Let's plug in our air blower to our Patriot Power Generator 1800, press the on button, and watch it inflate. This is the fun part. Next, we'll secure the screen with our ropes and our plastic stakes. And there we are, a real stadium experience without the stadium. Now, just so you know, your Patriot Power Generator 1800 isn't just great for an outdoor inflatable screen setup. It can run your mini fridge, string lights, and hot plate too. This generator can handle it, no problem. Well, there you have it, a game day bash in the ultimate home entertainment space, the great outdoors. Have you ever hosted an outdoor game day? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, don't be a bench warmer. Be sure and hit that subscribe button for more winning videos just like this one. And may the best team win.